Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I finger detangle my hair. My hair always looks so funny after washing because I don't detangle before washing. I just wash, then I detangle, then deep condition. So I just finished washing my hair right here, and then I'm going to proceed to finger detangling my hair. I've been finger detangling my hair for a while now because I heard that it helps with length retention. Okay, so the deep conditioner I'm going to be using in today's video is ORS deep conditioner. I used this deep conditioner when I started my natural hair journey, so I just decided to try it again. So the first thing to do is to apply a generous amount of the deep conditioner all over my hair, just to make sure that my hair is soft enough so I can, put my hair into different sections. Okay, so after applying a generous amount of that all over my hair, I just use my hand to work the deep conditioner into my hair. And this deep conditioner does not have a lot of slip, so that is the reason why it didn't actually get to all the parts of my hair. You need a lot to actually get the benefits of this deep conditioner. This deep conditioner isn't really slippery like that. Okay, so after I have applied enough deep conditioner all over my hair is soft enough to put into sections. I went ahead and used my fingers to put my hair into two different sections first. We are working with our fingers. We are not using any comb at all, so you want to make sure that your hair is soft enough before putting it in sections, otherwise you are going to break your hair. Okay, so first thing first, I put my hair into two different sections, then I went ahead to put each section into two other sections, if that makes sense. Because we are going to be finger detangling the hair, it just makes sense for us to put our hair in sections so that we don't end up with more breakage than we are trying to avoid in the first place. Okay, even if you are going to be using comb to detangle your hair, you will still need to put your hair in sections. Okay, so after that, I already went ahead to detangle this section of my hair off camera, and then I'm just going to be focusing on this other side of my hair in this video. So the lower part of my hair, like the ones towards my nape, I applied more deep conditioner to my hair because I was going to be finger detangling my hair, and then I started putting that section into smaller sections so that it would be really easier for me to detangle my hair using my fingers alone. Okay, so the first thing first, I started using more deep conditioners because, like I said, this deep conditioner you will need a lot if you are going to be using your fingers. All right, it is not that slippery compared to other deep conditioners that I've used. So the first thing I did was to detangle the ends of my hair because that is very, very important. I had to make sure that the ends of my hair are really free from every knot. That way I can start working my way up towards the roots of my hair. And this part of my hair is actually really easy to detangle because it is towards my nape. I don't know, for some reason the hair towards my nape is always really easy to detangle. So I just focused on separating my strands, like each strand of my hair, separating it little by little. You really have to be gentle with your hair. And after that, I just put my hair into a small twist. It doesn't have to be neat. Now I'm going to go ahead and move to the other part of my hair, and I'm going to be showing you guys more in depth, like it's going to be more detailed now. Okay, yeah, so I took smaller section of my hair again, and then I applied more deep conditioners to my hair. If you're using a very slippery deep conditioner, you wouldn't need to use as much as I've used in this video. Okay, so like I said, you need to focus on the tips first. You need to detangle the tips first with your hands, and you have to be really gentle. You want to make sure that all the knots and all the tangles at the tips of your hair are totally removed. Then you cannot start working your way to the roots. Just as you're seeing it in this video, I just started separating my hair gradually, and it looks as if I am really fast, and that's because I have been doing it for a while. I mean, I've been doing it for a while now, so I am kind of used to it. But if you are new to it, just take your time and separate your hair gently. Okay, so I just continue to separate my hair, and this is going to take a lot of time. If you are new to it, it's going to take a lot of time. I'm not even going to lie to you, it's going to take a lot of time. Okay, so you just want to continue separating your hair, and after separating, then you can now start using your fingers as a comb in the comb motion. I don't know if that makes sense. Just use your hands, just like you are saying right now, your fingers, just use it in the motion of the way a comb would go. Okay, so that is after you have separated your strands really well. All right, it it is really important for you to actually detangle your hands first before you move towards the roots, because it's going to make the whole process of detangling really easy. Okay, so after I finish detangling that part, I put it in twist and then I move to the front section, and it's basically the same thing. I had to focus on the ends of my hair first because that is actually very important, if not the most important self. It is really important for you to detangle your tips, the ends of your hair really well, because the roots, the hair that you're trying to detangle from your roots is still going to pass through the ends of your hair. So that is why it is really important for you to start from the ends. Use your hands to detangle the tips really well. Then you can now start separating gradually, just as you're seeing it right now. After you have detangled the ends, then you can now start separating your hair towards the roots, just as you're seeing right now. And you have to take your time. Okay, you really have to take your time so that you don't end up with more breakage than you are trying to avoid in the first place. Okay, yeah, so that's basically it. I just continue to use my hand after separating it in the motion that a comb would go. Okay, and then I just use my hands as comb, if that makes sense. Okay, because we are trying not to use any comb on our hair. That's what I was trying to do. I was trying not to use any comb on my hair in this video, and I just continued to do that. And after that, I went ahead to pull my hair into a 2-strand twist, and then I removed all the shed hairs from my fingers. Okay, and I put that somewhere. All right, and as you can see, everything looks really smooth now. It looks as if I even used a comb to detangle my hair, and I did not use any comb to detangle my hair. So after detangling properly like that, I went ahead to put my hair into 2-strand twist. Okay, yeah. So this is what we have at the end of the day. Everything has been detangled properly now, and everything looks as if I actually used a comb to detangle my hair. And even though I've been finger detangling my hair for a long time, since I started my natural hair journey, but I just started using only my fingers recently. After using my fingers, I still go ahead and use combs to do the final detangling, but it is just recently that I just started using only my fingers to detangle my hair. So I'm going to tell you guys really soon if I'm still going to go back to using combs or not. Okay, so after I detangled my hair, I went ahead to cover my hair with this plastic bag because I don't know where my shower cap is. I've been looking for it, but I can't find it, and I've not gotten another one. All right, so because I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair, and that's the reason why I'm putting a plastic bag all over my hair. So this is all the hair that I lost. I don't think it's too small, and I don't think it's too much, but I was expecting lesser than this because finger detangling is not supposed to make you break a lot of hair, and this was the amount of hair that I lost when I used combs to detangle my hair. So can you see the difference right now? So I don't think I can be using my fingers alone all the time. I might still be using combs to detangle my hair, maybe after finger detangling my hair or something. I don't know. I'm just going to go according to my mood anytime I want to detangle my hair, because I really didn't see any major difference in the amount of hair that I lost. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed it, and do let me know what you think in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, and I'll definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye.